How to activate FNB bank card. FNB refers to First National Bank South Africa. It is one of the major banks in South Africa, offering personal, business, and corporate banking services. First, download FNB application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with username and password. After opening, on home page, click on Cards. Select Add Virtual Card. Choose the account you want to link your virtual card to. You can add more than one virtual card. Tap Finish. And your card is now ready for use. That's it. Thanks for watching.